Hey everybody, Mr. Bluebeard back at it again with another entry in our new functionality series. So some of you have been a little overwhelmed about how many notification emails you're getting. Can anyone else relate to all of a sudden getting a bunch of emails from the community? Did you already look for that block sender button? Well, before you do that, let me give you the scoop on how to actually set those inbox settings correctly. First, log into the SAP Community, find your profile avatar, click on Settings, and then Subscriptions and Notifications. Finally, Notifications. Here, you get to choose how often you want to be pinged. Is it immediately, once a day, or once a week? And don't forget to hit Save. And then you're all set. If you prefer the more direct route to these settings, please click the link that I provided below in this video's notes. And hey, if there's anything else that is tickling your curiosity about the SAP community, drop a comment below and your wish might be our command.